Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna start by applying the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Lotion in light glow and apply it to my face as my primer and moisturizer, and it's gonna make my skin glow. For my foundation, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion Foundation in W4 and apply it to my face with a beauty blender. Using a beauty blender, it's gonna make your skin look more natural, and this foundation is already very glowy, so it's gonna make it look super natural, and it's perfect for this summer days. So now I'll be taking the Maybelline Master Conceal in 30 Light Medium, and I'm just applying it in where I have any pimples and also under my eyes. And then I'm gonna be taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C6, and I'm just gonna be using this to brighten up my face. To set my under eyes, I'll be taking the Laura Mercier translucent powder and set my under eyes, and then I'll be taking the Sephora Microsmooth powder in light and set my whole entire face. Now I'm gonna jump into my eyes, and I'll be taking the Morphe 24G Grand Glam and take the color Creamer and apply it to my crease. I'll be taking the color Spiffy and apply it to my crease and outer corner. This is just gonna warm up our eyes a little bit and make them look a little bit more orange, and that's the look I'm going for. We really want that outer corner to be a little bit more intense than it is on our crease. Now I'll be taking this gorgeous color, which is called Dream, and apply it to my lid. This color is like a champagne peachy color, and it's perfect for summer. Right now I'm applying some translucent powder because I see there's a little bit fallout, but that's okay. Just add a little bit powder, and if it's there fallout, when you're finished, you just wipe it off. Because we don't want any harsh lines, I'm just gonna take a clean brush and the blend out, and also I'm just gonna take this brush and re-intensify the color. Ooh, look at my eyes. Now we're just gonna take the Bake Away. Okay, so I applied my lashes out of camera, and now I'm gonna bronze my skin with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm just gonna contour those cheekbones as you see. Yes, girl, work. For blush, I'm gonna take my Broken Blush from Tarte, and it's the Amazonian Clay Blush in Pate. I love this blush so much. Now taking the color Spiffy, I'm just applying it again on my lower lash line, and also taking the color Dream to make pop my inner corner. And I think, yes I do, I take a light color and apply it in my inner corners. Now for the glow, I'm taking my favorite, you heard it here, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Peach Goddess. I feel like a goddess. Look at me. Ooh, now I'm gonna wet it to make it a little bit more intense. Look! Ooh! Girl! Look at that glow! Yes! So taking again the Hoola bronzer, I'm just gonna contour my nose to bring a little bit more dimension into my nose because we lost it with all the powder and, you know, the makeup. And I'm just taking my highlighter and apply it to the tip of my nose. And now I'll be using the Marc Jacobs Beauty Highliner Gel Crayon in Blaquer. And for my lips, this has been my favorite lip combo this summer. Let me tell you, I used the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Candy. Look at me, apply fast. Yes, fast, girl. Best. And then I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow, and look at my lips. Don't they look delicious? Yes, girl. And we are done. Thank you, love, so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give it a big thumbs up if you like this video. And yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.